Hello and welcome. I'm really excited to show you inside of what we've created for you with Minute Pop. This here is inside one of your 5 newsletter funnels, and this one is culinary highlights. It's all about cooking and culinary arts. We have more. I'm just going to show you inside this one. You will see over here, this is the dashboard for this. You can add your logo in here, so you can just upload your logo and add your banner. And we're going to automatically add your banner image and your banner link so that you can have a sponsored ad inside each and every edition of your newsletter. You also get access to the content that we're publishing in your newsletter every week so that you can customize it and use it to build your own newsletters. And we're going to show you how to do that as well. Here is an example of what your subscribers will see, an email similar to this. It will add your logo at the top right here. It will have images, look really cool. It'll have the current date. It'll have your name here. So it's going to automatically add your name in here. And down here is where your sponsored ad is going to go. It's got all of the rest of the content and your name will be automatically added in here as well. So everything will be branded to you. Of course, this is going to show up in their email inbox. So it's not going to look like this in the box. It's going to look like what it looks like when they get an email. And over here, it's got a web view and of course, all the important unsubscribe, update preferences, all of that kind of thing. So everything is compliant. It's all ready to go. And this will be delivered every single week. It's like having a ghostwriter, but someone on staff for you every single week writing trending information in topics that you choose. So with Minute Pop, you've got a collection of newsletters that are written for you in different niches, but that's just the start. We want to help you grow your audience. So we've created a pop-up code generator, and you'll see this little button here. You just need to click it and choose your template, decide how you want it to display, and it will generate some code that you can place on any website that you like. So you just copy and paste it, and you will display an opt-in form on your website that will automatically put people into your newsletter, automatically subscribe them to weekly newsletters, and send the content out with your logo and with your sponsored ads already embedded. So fully automated, done for you, written, everything is good to go. If you have WordPress, we have more customization options. So let me show you what that looks like. Here we've added the Funnel Mates plugin. We can click on Create New Campaign, click on Choose Newsletter Funnel. We're going to grow the Culinary Highlights newsletter, so I'm selecting that. Click on Next. Now we're going to choose the template. So we'll pick the template, customize the text and the design. You can choose your animation style or lots of different features here, whether you would like to change the text or the color, or if you would like to have it display on exit or wait until a number of seconds before it displays. You've got lots of options here. So you can choose all of these settings, then click on Next. You can choose where you'd like to display it. I've created a category for food and the culinary arts. If you have multiple newsletters, you could create one for each and then create a different pop-up to display on each of the categories. So here I'm just going to create this one. I'm going to add a campaign name. This is just for my use. And tracking ID is so that we can see in Funnel Mates how many views you get and how many people actually subscribe. Click Publish and we are done. So I'm going to show you what that looks like. Now earlier I copy and pasted the content from this week's newsletter, and you're welcome to do that as well. You can use the content however you like. And I put it in as a blog post. So this is just copied from this week's newsletter. As you can see, it's got the recipe, it's got basically everything here. Now I've added the pop-up. So when I refresh this, we'll see this pop up. And of course you can customize everything. You can customize the background, you can customize the image, the text and the coloring and how you want it to display. When someone signs up here, they're going to automatically be added to this managed for you newsletter. So that's going to be subscribing them. You can grow your list by just activating this plugin on your blog. Nothing else to configure, nothing to worry about. And it is all done for you. So what if you don't have a website and you don't have a WordPress blog and you don't have somewhere to put a pop-up script? We've got you covered. What we've done is created a collection of fully done for you landing page lead magnet funnels, and each of these offers something great to give away. You'll see here, there's this, it's all designed and ready to go. It's got an opt-in form here. It's got a thank you page. So as soon as someone signs up, they're going to be automatically added to your list. And they're going to also be sent to this. When they confirm their email address, they're going to see this. And this is a downloadable report. The report quality is fantastic. So we've got all these unique reports built specifically for these. This is all custom content created for you. So these are all done for you. You don't actually have to edit any of these pages. We've got follow-up email sequences that will go out for you. Everything is done for you, and we have them in different niches. So if you want to give away this, sure, you can give away this. Or if you would like to grow an audience for parents, for example, then we have this built for you. So this is another example of one of the ones that you're going to get. And this gives away some safe woodworking tools and techniques for kids. And you just simply add your email here. Your subscriber will get sent to the thank you page. And it's got all its information, checking that they're going to confirm, and then it's got the confirmation page, and we delivered this download for you. We added an extra bonus, and on here we've also got a promotion for a ClickBank product. If someone clicks on this, then you're going to get paid. So everything is ready straight out of the box, not just for these newsletters, but also for all of these lead magnet funnels. And here's an example of the content. Like, you have so much content that is already created and developed for you. Each of them super simple to share. So after your 1 minute setup, it's very easy to set up. Pretty much you just add your ClickBank ID into your settings page and then save it. And that's all there is to setting it up. Everything is live straight after that. Not even pretty much, that's all there is to it. You just add your ClickBank ID into your settings. And then you will click on funnel link and traffic kit. And then this is your link. So this is your branded link. And everything is ready to go straight from there. So you don't have to worry about anything else here. Just get your link. Now we're going to give you a whole bunch of training to show you how to do that, how to set up your newsletters. We've got fast start videos that take you from logging in to literally get set up in under a minute. And that's for your newsletters, that's for your lead magnet funnels. Something else to mention with your lead magnet funnels is that when you sign someone up at one of your lead magnet funnels here, we will automatically subscribe them to one of your relevant newsletters. So you can grow your newsletter audiences as well as preparing them for buying and engaging them with relevant weekly content delivered to their inbox, all branded to you with your logos, your banners, and all done for you. So I hope you like it. Grab the deal with the button below, and I look forward to seeing you in here and helping you grow your audiences and your newsletters and, of course, your profits. I'll see you inside.